Today, I'm going to talk about indecision candles, how to trade them, how you can use them, how you can take advantage of them, and how they will likely improve your trading performance. Let's get into that and more right now. Hi traders, this is Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 576. Outside again today, another stunning New Zealand summertime day. I want to talk today about indecision candles. They are candles that open and close at pretty much the same price. They're candles that are small. They can be called or look like a hanging man candle or a pin bar or a doji, depending on where they show within the charts. Now, do we trade them just by themselves? Absolutely not. You always need to have some form of confirmation candle after the indecision candle to give you the trade entry. However, they can be what I call an early warning system, and that can be really important to your overall trading success. I'll give you a few examples. Let's say that you saw a big uptrend, and then the uptrend suddenly stalled, and a indecision candle formed. It could be a hanging man pattern, let's say. That's giving us the clue after the uptrend that at some stage during that hanging man, the sellers were in control and had started to push the market down. Now, by the close of the candle, the buyers had pushed it back up again, but it tells us that there are sellers out there within the market. And so the beauty of that is it gives you a clue of what could be coming. Now, the other important thing is to see that indecision candle bounce at a certain level. It could be a round number, it could be a previous high, some form of resistance level to give you a clue that it's actually happening for a reason. We don't still take a trade. We then need to wait for the next candle to form a bearish confirmation candle, and that then gives us the confirmation to go short. So a great way of saying, well, potentially there's a trade coming here. Now I've seen confirmation. Now I get in the trade as a reversal. Same thing with a continuation trade as well. The other scenario could be that would help you is, let's say you were in a trade. Let's say you're in that same uptrend and you're not quite at your profit target and you see an indecision candle. Well, that's giving you, again, the same early warning signal to say potentially our uptrend could be coming to an end. You may not see the reversal signal come next, and the trend might continue back up again. Still hasn't got your profit target. Let's say there's another indecision candle. That's starting to tell me that maybe this uptrend's not going to continue. So that potentially then could be your clue to get out of the trade either completely or partially, or maybe move your stop loss, whatever it is that you do as a trade management tool to ensure that when the trade does turn around, let's say, and it starts dropping, that you don't lose out on that trade. And your winning trade ends up turning around to, let's say, a complete loss. That's just what you don't want, is what you need to do everything to avoid. And so, to me, looking at charts and seeing what actually the meaning is behind a candle is where you have an edge. You're trying to figure out what's happening in the market. Are the buyers in charge? Are the sellers in charge? Is there that indecision and then the change in direction? Has that happened at a previous swing high or a bounce level, a resistance level, the pivot point, whatever it might be? So understanding what candles mean, the patterns, the shapes, where they're occurring on the chart can give you a massive edge as a trader. And that's one of the things that we do here at the Forex Trading Coach. So if you'd like to find out how we do that, and if you've not been on my 17-minute on-demand masterclass, I'll put a link to that so you can find out all about how we trade and teach and how we can help you. If you would like to come on board and join us, so let me know and I can send you details about what we offer. By the way, we've been doing this nearly 16 years, so we kind of know what we're doing by now, and it's well and truly proven across all markets and all market conditions. If you'd like to book a call with us first to have a chat to see if we're the right fit for you, if we're going to have everything that you need to help you as a successful trader, I'll put a link that you can jump onto our booking calendar and book up a call to have a chat with us to see if we're the right fit for each other. I think that's also important as well from both sides. And lastly, if you're out there looking for a top quality broker, I'm going to put a link here to Blueberry Markets. They're based in Australia. They're a fantastic just people, service, everything about Blueberry Markets is absolutely top quality. I've known them for years and years since they started. I've been over there, seen their offices. Lots and lots of my clients and non-clients have joined with Blueberry Markets upon my recommendation, and without fail, they're always good. Top quality communications. So if you're out there looking for a top quality broker, I'd look at their MT5 platform. They also have MT4, but I'll put a link to them, and you can decide if it's a broker that suits your criteria as well. And I think you'll find that they're a good option. That's it for this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're watching. And if you're listening on the podcast, sorry, but you miss out on this beautiful blue day here. But it's part of trading. You've got to understand what's happening on the charts. The indecision candles can be a big help, and to massively improve your overall trading performance. And if you have any questions that you'd like me to discuss on future videos and podcasts, just like this one, send me an email, andrew@theforextradingcoach.com. I'll be glad to make a video to help you out on any topics that you're struggling with. And this is Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach. I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.